Dolphin from Dolphin Insulation in Littleton, Mass. And we're back at the Shultz house in Stowe, Massachusetts. And I have another person I want to introduce you to today. We've met Dan James, the builder from Erland Construction. And today with me is Oliver Klein of 475 High Performance Building Supply. And Oliver is a consultant that I use a lot, and Oliver is a big help when it comes to keeping mold out of these homes as we insulate and we tighten them up. The other reason I wanted to bring Oliver into this was him and his company donated all the Intello smart vapor membrane, which is like I've said before, it's an engineering miracle. It's unbelievable how good this is.
On behalf of the Shultz family, I'd like to thank you very much. This has been a big deal.
You're very welcome.
Yeah, no, it's probably more than any other job that I'll ever work on. Certainly, this is the heightened sensitivity to the mold issue is tremendous here. So the fact that your product helps safeguard against any fear that we might have a recurrence of that is a big value added here.
Thanks, Dan. Thanks, Chris. Nice to be here at this really great project. I mean, what a team you've put together here, and a lot of generous donations. We're very happy to be part of that. I'd like to talk a little bit more about the building science here. So we're installing this product over the insulation. In fact, the way that we recommend doing it, to install this directly over the studs, and then dense pack the cellulose, blow in the cellulose at high density into openings, and then because this is an airtight layer, now you have to, as you can see, there's going to be tape in these areas. You need to tape over any of those openings that you use for filling the dense pack behind it. And now we're getting back to being an airtight membrane again. And why does this work so effectively? This is called a smart vapor retarder because it is not intelligent in the way that we're familiar with, but intelligent in that it can tell what the moisture is around it, and it can actually change its properties. So in the winter time, when the relative humidity in buildings like this are about 30 or 40%, this is actually going to be closed to vapor. It's going to be impermeable and not allow moisture into the walls, therefore helping keep those walls dry. But what's really important is that in summer months or any other time when higher moisture comes from the exterior, this material has the ability to open up to allow vapor to move inwards, so you're never trapping moisture inside the wall, and you're almost completely preventing any mold from developing.
As a precaution, we hire a third-party independent consultant to look at this stuff, and the guy that we hired has volunteered his services and came on and looked at this house as well. And he couldn't have been happier with the choice of products, and was really floored by the fact that you guys stepped up and donated it.
So anyways, we heard from Oliver. We got to meet Oliver, and we saw Dan James again, which is always nice. And it's nice to sit here and chat with the experts and then pass on the information to you. So thank you for watching.